Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2024. And this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee, available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Scorpio. Ano ang ganap sa inyo for January? What are the energies for you, Scorpio? Okay, inner child. So, maaring you will do some activities na fun activities that you will heal your inner child. O, yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-experience nung bata ka na medyo na-deprive ka doon. And ngayong January, you have opportunities to do those things, to accomplish those things, to experience yung mga gusto mong ma-experience nung bata ka. Okay? You also have letting go. So, maaring meron kang i-release, i-let go, sa iyong life. This can be a relationship, connection, gamit, no? Yung iba, yung mga lumang gamit na hindi nyo na ginagamit. Mga lumang bagay na hindi nyo na ginagamit na pwede nyo i-donate, i-benta, no? Para merong makinabang doon. But for some of you, this is about anything toxic, anything that is no longer serving you. You are letting that go. You also have conflict. O maaring maka-experience ka ng conflict with someone or conflict sa schedule. You may be very busy. So, kailangan you need to manage your time, your energy, and also be careful rin in dealing with other people. Yung mga iba't ibang syempre may iba-ibang ugali, no? And medyo tread carefully na hinay-hinay lang sa pakikitungo sa iba, lalo na kung hindi mo to talaga totally kilala, no? Para iwas conflict kasi hindi natin alam minsan yung iba na may misinterpret yung ating ginagawa or sinasabi. So let's see your overall energy for January. You have the Ten of Swords. So, talaga meron kang i-let go. Anything na stressful na sa'yo. This also mean na you are ending a situation in your life that you feel na too much to bear. No? Tingnan natin. What is the Ten of Swords? Oh, Six of Cups. I think some of you are letting go of a relationship na naging cycle na, no, on and off ganon in the past, na you feel na nagawa mo na yung best mo para i-save yung relationship or yung connection. This can also mean like a business or a job na sinubukan mong ayusin, balikan, but it seems na it's time for you to let that go para mag-embrace ka ng bagong experience, bagong chapter ng life mo. I think yung iba sa inyo, itong pag-let go na to is kind of difficult. Mahirap para sa inyo na gawin to. But alam niyo sa sarili niyo na ito yung best na dapat gawin. Oo. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Scorpio? You have the Sun. Ang challenge sa inyo is yung pagkakaroon ng ng confidence sa inyong sarili. Maaring merong mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo na maging malaya. Maybe because of the guilt, no? Na minsan naisip natin, akala natin we are becoming more selfish, no? Pero ang totoo, kailangan rin naman nating isipin rin yung ating mga sarili na may kailangan din tayong baguhin, may kailangan rin tayong i-improve sa ating sarili or sa situation natin. And minsan, Kailangan nating mag-let go ng mga bagay, sitwasyon na alam nating hindi na nakakatulong sa atin. So, some of you naman, maaring magkaroon ng challenging situation sa travel ninyo. Pwedeng magkaroon ng delay ngayong January. But of course, kailangan dito patience, no? And yung, preparation. Okay, so let's see your opportunity for January. Opportunity. You have the Three of Swords. Okay, as an opportunity, it's about healing from a painful situation. You also have the Five of Swords. Nako, ayun na nga, maaring may conflict kayong kaharapin talaga. Parang kumbaga last straw na let's say connection with a friend or with someone or even a situation na pinagtiisan mo, pinagtiyagaan mo, no? Kasi akala mo maayos. But eventually, you realize na hanggang doon na lang talaga. Okay? And I think as an opportunity, ito yung marirealize mo na meron talagang hindi na maayos sa situation mo. This can be a job, a career, a relationship sa boss mo, a relationship with a friend, or a romantic partner that you feel na masyado ng conflicting yung energies and you need to let that go. So, let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Scorpio? You have the Emperor. Ayan, ang ganda niya as a blessing kasi this is you being in control of your life ngayong January. You take responsibility for your actions, no? Na alam mo yung ginagawa mo, alam mo rin kung saan ka papunta, and you are really building a structure in your life na yung tipong hindi yung walang direksyon, na walang patutunguhan. You know what you want. And you want stability. You also have the Eight of Wands. Yes, so this is about being busy, receiving a lot of messages. So I think maraming mga good news na parating sa'yo ngayong January. Ito yung mga hinihintay mo na mga messages or news about what you've been working on, like sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, or any endeavor. Okay? So, like what I mentioned kanina, pwede magkaroon ng delay sa work or sa travel, no? Pero, maayos naman yan within the month. So, let's say, for example, you are expecting first week ng January, makakapag-travel ka or maayos mo yung mga documents mo, pero medyo madidelay, pero bago matapos yung January, magagawa niya ng paraan, maayos. So, let's get messages for your money, career, finances, or just do it. Kapag daw nagpa-procrastinate ka, meron kang mga ideas na hindi mo naman sinasakatuparan, pero iniisip mo lang. Syempre, wala kang makikitang resulta doon kasi hindi mo siya sinisimulan. So, ang suggestion dito, just do it, whatever it is. But of course, take precaution. Ayan. Some of you nagpapa-apekto ng inyong feelings, no? Sa trabaho. Yung tipong pati issue nyo sa personal na buhay na dadala nyo sa trabaho. Kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo maaring magkaroon ng conflict with someone sa trabaho, with your boss, because of these energies na, minsan ang hirap mag-switch, 'di ba? Na dapat hindi mo or hindi natin dinadala yung personal na issue natin sa trabaho kasi nga naapektuhan yung performance natin. So you also have outlier. Meron ka talagang great ideas, Scorpio, na you've just been thinking about it, I think for a year or more than a year na. And ngayong January, you are being encouraged na gawin mo yan. Okay? Especially if this is related in online selling, retailing, anything to do with online work, online job. So, this might bring you more opportunities. Okay? So, sa relationship naman, for Scorpio, you have friendship, options, chemistry. So some of you, you will gain new friends through your connections, through your work. And I think you will have solid foundation with your friends. Lalo na if you will go out with them often. I think, mas lalo mong magiging matatag yung connections mo with others. And that is your way of networking as well. So, yung mga single dyan, more on friendship muna kayo. If you are in a relationship, I think yung relationship ninyo is built on trust and you are also friends, like super friends, bago kayo naging magjowa. Uy, speaking of magjowa or lovebirds, passionate declarations can lead to love. Oh, okay, Scorpio. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magkaroon ng romantic relationship because of the friendship na meron kayo nung person na yon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.